Check this out. I open my ring, I click on a slot, and a whole new ring just pops up. That right there. That's a subring. And today, I'm going to show you how to create one and 2 ways to actually use it with the new Blinkl feature. First things first, you're going to need Blinkl.io. It's like literally the GTA weapon wheel, but inside Premiere Pro. If you haven't installed it yet, links in the description. All right, let's get into it. We're starting by creating a subring. So first, you open your ring. Control plus right click or Command plus K. Make sure you've got an empty slot in your ring. Then click the settings icon right there in the center. Now, click directly on Ring. And boom, you're in the panel where you can fully customize your ring. You can see your 6 slots. You click on the slot you want to turn into a subring. You hit Create Subring right here, first thing. Then click on it, and this is where you can customize everything. So look, you give it a name. I'm going with Smooth Zoom. You can also change the icon, and you've got all the Blink icons right there, but you can also import your own. Just click Browse File, drag or import your icon file, and that's it. Now, over here, you've got your 6 empty slots, and you can add whatever tools and actions you want. Same as your main ring. You tap on each slot and assign it. Since I made this subring specifically for Smooth Zoom, I'm gonna add all my Smoothify presets, like this. Once your ring is filled up, go back to your timeline. Now, reopen your ring, click on your subring, and just like that, 2 clicks, and you've got access to a whole new ring with a ton of actions. And to get back to the main ring, you just hit the back arrow in the center. 2 clicks to go in, 1 click to come back. That's literally it. Now, 2 use cases, 2 types of creators. Use case number 1, the YouTube editor. You know, you're cutting podcasts, Mr. Beast style videos, entertainment content all day long. Here's what I'd recommend for your subring. Diarization, like non-negotiable for podcast editing. Your own Smoothify presets on 2 slots, and 3 snap action slots for your native Premiere Pro presets. You never have to type a command again. Use case 2, the motion designer. You're animating non-stop in After Effects. And then, when it's time to do sound design, you jump back into Premiere Pro. Here's the subring built for audio. Beat detector to sync your motion design to the beats of the music. Voiceover to integrate and create AI voiceovers directly in Premiere Pro, and 4 audio snap actions. Reverb, low pass, parametric equalizer, fixed limiter, and more, to save you as much time as possible. That's what subrings are all about, you know? Tailored to every kind of creator, with thousands of possibilities. Install Blinkl for free, links in the description. This is the first video of the Ring Mastery series, so subscribe, the next one's coming soon.